There she is, guys. There she is. Hello, you alright, mate? Hello, mate. Yeah, not bad. How you doing? You okay, mate? Good. Give me a few to take. Oh shit, I need a mask on. One sec. Lovely, thanks, mate. Oh. You alright, mate? Oh shit. It's coming off that thing. I barely use it. Expensive, mate. There we go. Look at that. Feel like an idiot, but fucking hell. Right. I've gone and done the bits and bobs, got it all sorted out, all handed over. Say another thank you to these guys. Hey, big thank you, mate. I'll see you again. Wish me luck. Nice one. See you. I will do. I've put it on wet mode. Cheers, mate. Tell me to take it easy. These guys are into moto. I mean, just look at this. Just look at that. It's fucking gorgeous. I'll oh dear. I mean, look at this. Like I said, I'm going to be getting cramped, me. This is a very, very different position to that thing. Bye bye to that fucking thing. Oh. Right. I think I need to go to a petrol station, to be honest.
Intercom failed. Try again later.
Oh, love, calm down. Right. Oh, well, this feels strange. It's actually not as bad as I thought it would be. My bollocks are getting a bit rammed though. Oh man, this feels weird. Massive thank you to the guys at Intermoto, as per usual. Oh, these brakes are good. Oh, there we go. Guy coming down here. Oh. Thank you, mate. I'll tell you what, my bollocks are a bit squashed. Oh wow, okay. Yep, that's a bit God, I'm getting looks already, mate. Yeah, it's a bit weighty on the old wrist, of course. I mean, look at that. I'm not even looking down because I tell you what, the weirdest experience for me on a bike is getting onto a new one, because it's a very, very strange feeling. Oh, just listen to that. Oh, oh, mate, for a stocker, that is fucking gorgeous. And my knees are alright actually. I'm not as cramped up as I thought I would. I need to change the foot controls. Oh, oh, it's very, it's wow. Oh, quick shifter's alright actually. I can't see anything behind me because of these mirrors, but see. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Cool. Pull them in. Nice. Let's have a see what it's like, eh? But it's no way near as bad as I thought it would be. Actually, the position is already quite familiar. Quite familiar. I mean, I'm on a Ducati, mate. I'm actually on a Ducati. I never saw this happen. But those guys have been looking after me for years and years and years. They've put up with my bullshit, you know, for a long, long time now. And I really do appreciate them. And they've sorted me out with this. And it is absolutely stunning. And my God, the brakes are good. Okay. Yeah, there's no downshift on this, Johnny, so calm the foot down. Oh, come on, mate. God, I love that engine. I've missed having a bit of character in an engine, man. Fucking hell. It sounds... Listen to that shit. Oh! But it's a weird feeling. I thought you'd be more arse up kind of thing, but it's not actually. It's quite get onable. Although I'm not sure what I'll be saying after 100 mile on the thing. Oh, listen to that! Well, that's on wet mode, so it doesn't really seem like much is going on at the minute. But oh, mate, that's something else. I need to change that fucking brake lever though. That brake is a bit high up for me. Right. Let me just see. What are you doing, mate? That's a fucking... Can you not read? It says do not fucking knob chock. Don't know what a knob chock is, but fucking hell. Oh my god. Oh, listen to that, mate. Would you listen to that? Well, if any of the guys at Intermoto are watching, thank you very much again. Oh, okay. He wants to shoot. He wants to go. The thing is that is good to me is the fact that I can ride this and I can get on with it. It's proven to me that my weight loss is actually, and my shaping up and stuff, that has actually been working. Oh man, that is a scalpel. That is fucking gorgeous, mate. Oh, I feel like a fucking king on this thing. Oh man, I can't get the smile off my face. Oh, listen to that. Oh my god, that's fucking gorgeous. Oh, my balls though, my balls are a bit quite a lot in pain. The palm of my hand, so that bit there is kind of hurting. This is like, I don't even know. This is just unreal to me. Okay, try not to crash. The wet mode seems a little bit, what's it called? Conservative. Please don't crash into me. Thanks. That rear brake is really good, but it's really high up, so I need to sort that out. Oh god, it even smells nice. I need to put some petrol in it because I don't think they put any petrol in. 117 mile on the clock, that means average mile an hour. I need to go through all the electronics on this thing. But also the brake lever's just right in the right place, I think. Maybe a little bit too close. Too far away, and then these mirrors are weird, they're very tucked in compared to what I'm used to. Okay, first false neutral of of the year. I'll tell you what, I'm kind of used to this position already. It's really quite nice. Although I'm not sure what the camera's going to think of it. I bet the camera's pointing down to the fucking floor. Oh, it's a little bit choppy actually in fourth. Yeah, the mirrors are pretty much useless. I can see about half of what's there. Oh, the Ducati heat is coming up now from the underneath of the exhaust up my arse, which, to be honest, in this heat is perfect. However, get it into summer and not too sure. My eyes are a bit blurry from the bumps, which means I need to sort the suspension out. I'll have a look when I get home. Well, I say home, I'm just going to go off to my mum's house now. So I usually have my hands 2 on each lever, and with it like that, it's kind of pulling my hands, fingers are higher than my palms, so it's kind of twisted them up like that. So I'm getting a bit of a pressure point underneath my hand here, so I need to start gripping with my knees a bit more. So I've got some nice tank pads at home that I'll be putting on. Wow, look at this new asphalt, look. Oh mate, that handles like a fucking dream. Holy shit. That is a scalpel. It's going where I want it to go. You know, it's not often you can wake up and say, I own a Ducati. Well, I don't own a Ducati yet. It's on finance. There's a big bump here somewhere and I can't remember where it is. So I hope they've leveled over it. Very nice. No more bollock pain. Just look at it, mate. Just look at what I'm on. Oh mate, I could get on with this. I could get on with this quite easily. Just look at it. I like how thin these are, and I like how cool that looks. And I should be looking at the road, but I'm not. Oh my god, what the fuck? They've gone up quick. They were not here last. Oh my god, they've gone up quick. Holy shit. Right, I'm gonna go home, see if anyone's in. I keep forgetting there's not a quick shifter. Guys, I'm on a Ducati. What did I do to deserve this, man? Right, now to find the kickstand. Where the fuck is the kickstand? What the fuck? Oh, it's there. That's very difficult to get to. Ah, cool.